Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to change this cord in this old Black & Decker iron. Right, so stick around and I will show you how to change the power cord in this Black & Decker iron. Alright, today I'll be showing you how to change our old cord in your Black & Decker iron, right? So as you can see, the cord, it really badly off, bent up, it exposed, and you can see it burst right here. And not only that, this cord is not the cord for this iron. This is a cheap cord. Right, so let me show you the cord they use for iron. This is the cord they use for iron. Now the difference between this one and this old one is that this old one is made out of plastic. The installation is made mostly out of plastic. Now this one the installation is made out of rubber. Right, so this one is made out of rubber. So reason why, because the reason why they make this cord out of rubber is because of heat. You see the heater, right? The iron have an element, and the element, when it's on, it does pull a lot of current, and when it pull a lot of current, it does get hot. The cord does get hot, right? So this eventually this will melt. This will melt and catch a fire, and your house will burn down. Alright, so now you can see the cord in this is damaged real bad. You can see it kind of break. Alright, and you can see this exposed and this rusty and badly off. So first thing first, it's working. Right, so I plugged on show it's working. Right, you see the light come on. And it get hot. Right, so first thing first is to unplug it. And then we move the screw in the back cover. There's a screw to remove in the back cover. We remove the screw in the back cover. And there's only one screw to remove. Take out the part, this piece that break out. This is aside. Alright, so it have two. Now the extension have two wires, right? So one wire coming across here, the other wire going across there. But like this. Right, so unscrew this one and unscrew this one. Right, so it come out. Now this extension is the wrong extension for any heater. Right, because watch this. This extension mostly make out of plastic. So if you can see carefully, you can see it like it burn. Right. Let me show you the difference between the cheap plastic extension and the good replacement cord. Right, so let me start with the cheap one for now. Now the cheap one, like I say, make out of plastic, right? So watch this. If you light a fire, light a match, and you rest it here. Right, so you see it catch a fire. Right, this piece of the plastic cord. Right, so you see it catch a fire, right? So this is flammable. This will burn. Now the heater. Normally, the heater have a special cord, which is this. Now, this is a special cord. Now, this cord is made out of rubber. Right, so here how the heaters work. When the heater come on, the element just draw a lot of current. Now, when the element come on in heater, the amount of current that's passed through the cord will get hot, and the more you use it, the more you use the heater, the more the cord get hot, and eventually the cord will get weaker and weaker until a point where it catch a fire. That is with this. That is with this cheap one, right? But this one with rubber now, this will not catch a fire because this is a special rubber, heat resistant rubber. So watch this. As you can see, the heat is, as you can see, it's not burning, right? It's not penetrating, it's not burning. Right, so the difference that this is a heat resistance, this is not. This is a cheap plastic cord. Right? Chances are, if you're doing repairs on an iron, make sure and put in the correct extension cord. Because if you put in the good one and put in the bad one, a cheap one, chances are a house can burn down. Right, so I've been doing this over 10 years now, and I know the difference between the cheap cord and the good cord. I know what to do. So take out this, put this here. Pass this through here. Alright, so make sure I put that pigtail on the end. Now I come across a lot of people doing this, right? A lot of people I come across, they put in the wrong extension without knowing. And there are some people doing this for like over 30 years and still they ain't doing it right. Alright, so I cut it. I cut this wire. Alright, so this is kind of a little tricky to put in, but try to get it in. Alright, so you screw it up, make sure you secure your pulley cable. Alright, you pull it. Alright, it hold. Alright, put in this other end. Right, so make sure and pull it and see the slack. Right, it has slack, it hold good, and then you remove some of this, pull back some of this wire. Alright, and then screw up this. Alright, so I will plug it on. I'll plug it on and show you it working. Alright, so you see light lighting. Put back this part together. Alright, so put this and then scrub this. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to install, well, how to take out an old extension cord from our iron and put in a good extension cord in our iron. Right, so this is it. And this is also the correct cord. Alright, so as always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave your comments below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs. Until next time.